Welcome to my dear student in my discrete mathematics class. Today I will discuss some problem from the combinatorics. Now example 1, let n be non-negative number. Then prove that summation r equal to 0 to n ncr equal to 2 to the power n. Solution we get from the binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, x plus y to the power n equal to summation of r equal to 0 to n ncr x to the power n minus r y to the r. Number 1, putting x equal to y, putting x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Putting x equal to y equal to 1 in the equation 1. We have from the equation from the equation 1 plus 1 to the power n r equal to 0 to n ncr x to the power one to the power n minus r 1 to the power r implies that 2 to the power n is equal to summation of r equal to 0 to n n r 1 to the power n minus r 1 to the power r equal to 1. Then we can write summation of r 0 to n n r equal to 2 to the power n. Proved. Now I can solve example 2. Example 2. Prove that summation r equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power r n r সমান সমান 0, that is nc 0 minus nc 1 plus nc 2 minus dot 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 minus 1 to the power n nc n equal to 0. Solution. From the binomial theorem, we have x plus y to the power n summation r equal to 0 to n ncr x to the power n minus r, y to the power r. Number 1. Putting x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1, we have from the equation 1. Putting x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 in the equation 1, we have 1 minus 1 to the power n, r equal to 0 to n, NCR 1 to the power n minus r minus 1 to the power r. That is 0 equal to r equal to 0 to n, NCR minus 1 to the power r. That is summation of NCR r equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power r, NCR equal to 0 implies that NC 0 minus NC1 plus NC2 minus dot dot minus 1 to the power n, NCN equal to 0. Proved. Now I will solve the problem 3. Example 3. Prove that two NC2 2 into NC2 plus n square. Solution. Left hand side 2NC2 equal to 2n factorial 2 factorial into 2n minus 2 factorial, that is equal to 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 factorial 2 factorial 2n minus 2 factorial, that is equal to 2n minus 1 by 2, that is equal to n into 2n minus 1. Now from right hand side we have right hand side 2 into NC2 plus n square is equal to 2 into n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial plus n square, that is equal to 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial 2 into n minus 2 factorial plus n square, that is equal to n into n minus 1 plus n square equal to n square minus n plus n square equal to 2n square minus n equal to n into 2n minus 1. Now from left side and right side we have left side is equal to right hand side root. Now I will solve the problem 4. Problem 4. Prove that NCR minus 1 plus NCR समान that is equal to n plus 1 CR. Now from left side NCR minus 1 plus NCR that is equal to n factorial r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial plus n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial that is equal to r into n factorial multiplying r. Now multiplying r into r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial. Now multiplying n minus r plus 1 n minus r plus 1 into n factorial r factorial into n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Now we can write r into n factorial r into r minus factorial equal to r factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial plus n minus r plus 1 into n factorial r factorial n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial that is equal to n minus r plus 1 factorial. Now we have r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial is equal to r plus n minus r plus 1 into n factorial that is equal to n plus 1 into n factorial r factorial n plus 1 minus r factorial that is equal to n plus 1 factorial by r factorial into n plus 1 minus r factorial that is equal to n plus 1 CR that is equal to right hand side. So we can write left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Now I will solve Number 5. Example 5. Find the coefficient of x to the power minus 6. Find the coefficient of x to the power minus 6 in 16x square minus 1 by 2x to the power 12. Solution. Now 16x square by 1 by 2x to the power 12 equal to r equal to 0 to 12 16x square 12cr 16x square 12 minus r 1 by 2x to the power r, that is equal to r equal to 0 to 12 cr 16 to the power 12 minus r x to the power 24 minus twice r minus half to the power r x to the power minus r. Now we can write summation r equal to 0 to 12 cr 16 12 minus r minus half to the power r x to the power 24 minus 3r. If x to the power 24 minus 3r is equal to x to the power minus 6, then x to the power then 24 minus 3r equal to minus 6, that is 3r equal to 30, implies that r equal to 10. Now the coefficient of x to the power x to the power minus 6 is 12c10 16 to the power 12 minus 10 minus half to the power 10, that is equal to 12 factorial by 10 factorial 12 minus 10 factorial into 16 to the power 2 1 by 2 to the power 10 12 into 11 into 10 factorial 10 factorial into 2 factorial 2 to the power 4 into 2 1 by 2 to the power 10, that is equal to 12 into 11 by 2 into 2 to the power 8 by 2 to the power 10. That is 12 into, that is 6 into 11, 2 square, that is equal to 66 by 4, 33 by 2. This is the coefficient of x to the power minus 6. Thank you, my dear student. Next class I will solve another sum problem.